Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Titus. Now, in this video, I'm going to do another unboxing. And this unboxing was supposed to be really exciting, and my energy would really be going through the roof if only. I honestly don't know what to expect. So basically, I ordered this Monstera Albo overseas, and I don't know, maybe because of COVID lockdown or whatever measures they usually do to quarantine items, this item hadn't arrived for about 25 days. So I don't even know if a plant cutting can survive for that long. I really don't. But we have to unbox it, so let's just see what's in there. If I am fortunate enough, there'll probably be a node there that is going to be salvageable if I do manage to propagate it with a node. Otherwise, if it doesn't, well, I don't know. I really don't know what to expect, but I just thought I'd video this. I'm wanting it to be a really happy post, but I really don't know what to expect after 25 days of it being in transit. So let's just open it and see what's in there. Very tightly packaged. Of course, it has to be really tightly packaged, otherwise if it's not, well, alright, here we go. So this is the box right there. It's got a lot of bubble wrap, and inside it is going to be my plant. Let's see. Oh, shoot. One of the leaves just came out. Oh, right here. How sad. How sad is that? Ew, it smells so weird as well. Oh my gosh. So, here it is. This is my Monstera Albo leaf right here. How sad. There's like that weird smell too, and it preserved it. There you go. My Monstera Albo leaf. We could probably do this as like a thumbnail shot right there. My really preserved Monstera Albo leaf right there. You can see where the variegations were. Oh man, let's continue to unpack this. We can have a little bit of tiny hope. Ah, it smells weird. Okay, the other leaf didn't survive as well, obviously. It's dead. So sad. So sad. It smells like dead. I don't know, like, have you ever been to those funerals where it just smells like death? That's what it smells like. So there's my other leaf. I think we just gotta laugh at ourselves sometimes. There's my first leaf and then my second leaf. Woohoo! There's a little bit of green on the node, so I don't know. Maybe it did survive. There's a lot of black though. Oh, this is super bad. Okay, there was a tissue wrapped that wrapped the other root. Okay, let's open this further. Alright, there's the node. It is, I don't know if it's gonna survive really, honestly. If by miracle this survives, that would be great, but highly unlikely. There you go. That's my semi-dead node. It's like almost on its way out, and that one's totally blackened off, as you guys can see. Okay, so there is my Monstera Albo. Alright, here it is. So where's the other two leaves? So here's one, here's two, and the expected image of the plant that I was supposed to have is right here. It was too good to be true. Look how well preserved that leaf is. If it managed to come through within less than 20 days, it would have probably been good. I don't know if it's really worth trying to save this as well. It's gone. It's totally gone. Anyway, that's it guys. I'm not expecting you guys to like this video at all. But if you do, click that like button. Click subscribe if you want to see me make more videos. Otherwise, I will see you guys on the next video. Goodbye and God bless.